Hi Loveland Tigers, our short video mini lesson today is going to be on problem solving. Let me go ahead and project what I'm going to work on here. So this actually goes hand in hand with our mini lesson from yesterday when we were finding missing side lengths. So same type of idea, but now we're putting it in a word problem format. So Annie bought a goldfish for her aquarium that is 6 inches wide and 8 inches deep. How long is the aquarium if its volume is 576 cubic inches? So the first thing that I want to do here is take out the important information. I know that to find volume, I need to find my length, my width, and my height. So I'm going to fill out what I already know. I know my volume is 576 cubic inches. I also now know that I'm measuring in inches. It's 6 inches wide and 8 inches deep. So when we're talking about the depth of something, that's generally either the length or the width. And since they already gave us a measurement for the width, we're going to say it's the length. We're going to say, let's see, 8 inches. Okay, so again, notice that those are in single units. So what I'm trying to find out then is my height. Now, to represent that I'm finding my height, it is okay to use a variable such as x. So x is a variable, and a variable just means it represents an unknown number. So I know that when I find volume, it's length times width times height. So I'm going to fill in what I know. 576 equals 8 times 6 times what I don't know. And I'm going to go ahead and put the h is what I don't know is my height. 8 times 6 is 48. So now 576 equals 48 times h. Okay, so now I need to figure out what that h is. That means 48 times what number equals 576. So as we discussed yesterday, multiplication and division are inverse of each other. So if they're inverse operations, that means that they're opposites and that they can undo each other. So 576 is going to be my dividend. 48 is my divisor. And again, use whatever method you feel comfortable with for long division. It's going to go in one time. I'm going to go ahead and use the algorithm. 9 and then bring that down there. And I know that 48 goes into 96 two times, or that 48 times 2 equals 96. So that means then that h, or my x here, equals 12 inches. I'm going to go ahead and show that to you using the Super 7 method as well. So I would probably notice right away that 48 times 10 equals 480. And then I would go ahead and subtract from there. Oops, sorry about that. And then I would say, okay, and then that multiplied by 2 gets me to 96. So either way, you're still going to come up with the same quotient. The quotient in this situation represents your height. And that is it for today's mini lesson.